Hello there and welcome back to Brainify TECH. Today we're going to take a look at what Microsoft Excel is, including when you should and shouldn't consider using it. We're going to take a look at some of its key features and benefits and then wrap up with a brief showcase of examples to give you a better idea of what you can achieve with Excel. For those of you that are new to Excel, or for those of you that are thinking about switching to Excel, then this video will give you a valuable overview and insight into the capabilities of Excel and what benefit it may be for you. So let's crack on. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application and one of the most popular applications in Microsoft 365, and certainly the one that I use the most in both my personal and work life. If you have any data that you can input into a tabular or grid layout, then you should consider using Excel. If you need to manipulate, make calculations or create graphs or charts from your data now or in the future, then you should consider using Excel. If you need to import your data into another application such as a database, then you should consider using Excel. If you want to get a well-paid job as an Excel expert, then you should definitely learn and use Excel as much as possible. Having said all of that, even though Excel is fantastic for so many different tasks, it's certainly not the best application for everything. Depending on the task that you want to carry out, you still need to make sure that you pick the best application for the job. Microsoft Word is still my go-to application for document production, such as letters and reports. It really can't be beaten for its comprehensive layout and formatting features. It's also hugely popular, so sharing and collaborating on Word documents is easy. Plus, I've literally been using it for decades and know it inside out. Microsoft PowerPoint is still my application of choice for making presentations. Again, it's quick and easy to produce eye-catching presentations with, universally popular for sharing and collaboration, and I know it inside out. The problem with both Word and PowerPoint is that the creation process is still pretty much a manual task. Apart from the templates and design suggestions, there's really no added value, time-saving ability or extra intelligence built in, above and beyond what these applications were originally intended to do, which is to display information that you put together in a suitable and aesthetically pleasing way. The beauty and sheer power of Microsoft Excel, on the other hand, is that you can just simply and quickly input raw data, and Excel provides the automated ability to manipulate, produce all sorts of stunning graphs and charts, as well as produce meaningful insights and forecasts with minimal effort or time on your part. Excel basically does all of the complex heavy lifting for you and produces professional results better than most people could ever create manually. Excel is super easy for basic error-free bulk data manipulation and calculations. I know countless people that still don't use Excel to create actual spreadsheets, but instead use it as a glorified calculator to do quick automated text and number calculations to input the results into other applications such as Word and PowerPoint. If you've got a text list that you need to order alphabetically, just throw it into Excel. Got a text list that you need to filter, just throw it into Excel. Need to find duplicate data, just throw them into Excel. Got a list of first and surnames that you need to join together, just throw them into Excel. Got a list of numbers that you need to do calculations on, just throw them into Excel. Need to create a quick chart from some numbers, just throw them into Excel. Enough with the examples, I think you get the picture. If you need to manipulate or do some calculations with some data, then the answer is to just throw them into Excel. Automating repetitive tasks is an absolute lifesaver and one of Excel's key strengths. For example, if you have thousands of customer orders that have to be reformatted and totals added before creating the management reports every month, then doing that manually is a monthly brain-numbing agony that would take several days and end up having several errors in the calculations. Excel can fully automate this task with the use of a macro. You can literally click a button and the results are produced 100% correctly in less than a blink of an eye. Microsoft Excel provides a quick and easy solution for everyday simple text-based lists. Let's take a quick look at a few examples. Christmas card list, to-do list, household chores, project tasks, homework, or even a grocery list. Excel was originally developed and continues to shine with any type of number-based data or tasks. Let's take a quick look at a few examples. Budget plan, financial analysis, credit card spending, loan schedule, stock and Bitcoin trading, attendance and holidays, profit and loss. Turning your data into beautiful graphs and charts is a breeze and takes literally just a few clicks of the mouse. All of the popular graphs and charts are covered, including line graphs, pie charts, bar charts, and many more. It also now comes with a range of spark lines for added pop in your spreadsheets. Here's a quick showcase of some other useful everyday solutions that you can easily create with Excel. Calendar, invoice, inventory, family tree, meal planner. Excel is packed full of insanely advanced features, but the great thing about it is that you can choose to use only those features that you're comfortable with and add to your skill set as you need. This makes it a great application for both beginners who want to stick with the basics and use a huge library of pre-created templates to get lightning fast professional results, or for the most advanced Excel professionals who want to build complex spreadsheet solutions and dashboards from scratch. There really is no limit to what you can build and achieve with Excel. I really hope this video has given you an insight into what Microsoft Excel is and a glimpse of just a few of the many benefits that this spreadsheet application has to offer. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button below this video. If you would like us to make any specific Excel videos, then let us know in the comments below. If you're interested in seeing more Excel videos from Brainify Tech, then please subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.